Hi and welcome back. So in this part I would like to finish the front cover, and with that I will finish I think all details on the mobile. So let's go to the front view. We'll be probably working just in this view. In this part a bit inside perspective. First of all, I will drag this a bit down because I think it was a bit too high before. We'll place it somewhere here. We'll delete this. Can place here a bit more adjustments. Come on. Yep. So like, let's say like this. And probably, I don't like that this line is touching here, so I will move it. So okay, so we can start. Now, the basics here will be to select our shape, go to component objects, and we will just shape merge it together. Okay, convert to polybag. Can delete our circle. Can select everything here, press Weld. Thinking we can go just with this value. Anyway, we will do a lot of deleting of the words manually, so if you don't want to screw your shape a lot, do it manually. So if we are here, we can also start here. I'll start by the circle and just delete the words by pressing backspace, which I really don't need. Like that we will get a nice round shape with which we will work a bit later. So far I will be just clearing the shapes, which is not so hard and absolutely not difficult. And I think what I can do is detach this shape. I'll grow these ones, select this bottom, like that. I'll be, or I will have better possibilities by selecting, because I can use the drag and so on. So just detach this to an object. Select my object, hide unselected, and I can work just with this. So it will be a bit easier for me, like here I can just delete everything, and also here, don't keep attention to that. Now also here, I can delete this one, again don't keep attention to that. We'll fix that a bit later. So I think here I can do it like that, and yeah, why not? Here what I can do, I can move it by an edge, and I think turn it off and replace a bit, and a bit more shapes, or a bit more deleting. So don't be afraid, just delete that. It's a small chance that we will delete something that we really need. I guess not. So just do it like that. So we was here at the top. Now if I'm here, I think I will also replace this a bit, because the shape is flat. It's a bit easier to manipulate with everything just in this axis here. So we don't need this one. So we'll do some adjustments here. This looks a bit scary, but don't worry about that. Everything is fine. So far so good. Trust me here. And like before, of course, slowly prepare shape and then do the shape. Maybe you think yourself, maybe cutting will be easier and faster. Oh, I'm not so sure about that. Now here, I can delete this. I can also touch weld this together. Now we don't have to keep that like an X shape. I just needed here a shape. It should be a really rectangle. and not something with what I will create. So here I will do a cut. It doesn't matter, like this, very ugly. I can delete this one here and also this edge, and I will try to touch dwell this together. Somehow I can't. Strange a bit. Should work. Yeah, anyway, I will look on that a bit later. I don't want to waste time. Stuff like this. Just thinking about what isn't working. Okay, touch and weld. I guess I know. I think better to say. So what I will try to do is a cut. Yeah, it's working. Cool. So now just touch welds. So nice. It's a quick fix with that. And again, a bit more of that. So, like this, we'll be preparing for some time, everything. Some shapes will be better to do a different method, of course. Like, oops, yep, it's fine. Like really using the cut tool and stuff like that, but I know, if I'm doing some other things with this method, why not to do everything with that? We could also like just draw the circle and then cut it into the shape. We could do it absolutely different at all, but I choose to do it like this. So of course, if you don't like my method, do it yourself the different way. I'll be happy to see the results also with a different technique, not just mine. And also this is some sign for me, or would be a sign for me to do a few things different, but I think this method is not so bad to use here, and it's a bit more accurate. Okay, still a lot of shapes to work on, or still a lot of words to delete. Okay, I don't need this. This is fine, and also here I don't need this shape inside. I just need the outside shape. Now here I will be a bit more careful. It's the middle bottom. The middle bottom have to be perfect, of course, because it's the middle bottom. And I think again, I don't need the shape inside, but I can keep it here, maybe. I'm not decided yet, but I think it will make just problems to have it here. You know, we'll be inserting this shape and doing other stuff with that. I want to delete you a bit later, not now. So like this, I will quickly delete, oops, this one here, also this one, like this all words. Probably it was a good idea to detach this from the shape. With more space, can do better insets later and also define the shape a bit different. So I think I don't need this at all. I don't need this one too. Here we can do, or you can do more space. I will leave it like this. Here too. So okay, we can move a bit. I'm trying to preserve the flow of the words here, so keeping them in the same distance, trying to reshape them, but still they should shape our shape. Very strange. Okay, now more deleting. This shape should be very fast. So we'll just delete a few things. Don't keep attention to that. Gain, like this one, this one here. I will not delete the words or the edges on the sides. I will of course use them, even that I firstly thought that I will a bit like detach it from the rest of the shape, but later I decided to keep it like this. So here again we don't need the middle words. Here for sure, because here are the main, for me, the main bottoms of the shape, because here is a lot of them and it's much easier to do it like this. So okay, this is done. Almost. Few more. Okay, now we are done. Yes, we are. So we have here a clean shape. Here it is. Probably we can keep. And now I will hit unhide all. Unhide all. We'll hide the main shape. We'll select this one, Alt X to see through. And now I need to define these areas here. So I will get my cut tool. You don't need to connect anything. I think the cut tool should be fine. Even that, probably we could do something like this. Just hit connect and it's fine. It should be straight, so you can do it. The cut tool, oops, or not. This one we could move a bit. Yeah, it's not moving like I would like. So we'll just do a straight cut and move it a bit down manually. And we'll see how, yeah, this is looking too good. And now this one. Yeah, of course. Yeah, this probably will be much easier to do with the cut tool. Trying to fit everything. So I want to do a straight cut, nothing more. Even that would be some kind of a small angle, doesn't matter much. Okay, so all these bottoms here. Now we'll try to do the bottoms very fast. First of all, I will inset that, but not like this. Change it to poly. So by polygon, but a bit too much, like this. Now, I don't need this here, or this one, this one, this is not, this I need, this one, this one. So I will just delete these words or the edges, because I really don't need them on my shape. Like that, like that, like that, and of course we need to delete the words. I will keep it from outside, of course, because it's, this is attached, or this is attaching our shape to the rest of the shape, but I don't need that inside. And it's also because that if I will do any movement or edits to the shape, like using boolean, no, not boolean, but bevel or extrude, it will just make more and more edges, which I really don't need. Okay, all thanks to that. Perspective now. This is the perspective view, and we will use the bevel tool, and we'll go inside and a bit inside once more. So we'll do here a small angle, and now we'll go up, straight up. And I think I think the bottoms are enough fine. And now we will do inside. So yeah, I think I did. The bottoms a bit too high, so just move them down, but I think this will be fine. If not, anyway, we can anytime place them down, so don't worry about that. But now, applying to this shape, even now, to be smooth. Oops, not this late. Again, adjustment on that. Yeah, okay, this is very strange. I don't like that at all. But from this, we'll see how the buttons will be high. I think they're still too high. So we'll place them a bit down. Okay, I didn't saw how much we got. We'll shrink this selection and also place this a bit down. Now once more. Yeah, now it's better. So how to fix this? So we'll apply some rules from the hard surface modeling technique, and this will basically mean that we'll do something like this. I will try to ring that shape and connect 2 times. We'll place them somewhere here. It depends how around do you want the edges. Again, ring, connect, the same value. One more time, ring and connect, and the same here. So ring and connect. Now the same from the top, of course. So we'll hit the connect button, but this time we will move that a bit more. So we will have here some kind of rectangle. The same here. Connect. Even that we don't need this one, I will keep it there. And one more time, ring and connect. I will place get my cut tool here. Probably first from the front view. I will just here do a straight cut. Now this kind of cut. Because this is going down, I need to zoom on that. And probably I will place this one here. And the same from the other side. And you're probably already waiting how this will be looking. No, don't worry. Very soon we will see. Anyway, after that, after this one, I would like to apply the triple smooth down on that back, so we'll see it immediately. So the same cut like that. And okay. Bad bottom. Okay. Yeah, nice. So we have here the bottoms. Don't keep attention to this too much, just a bit. Really nice ones, I think. I like them. Yeah, I would like to touch them. And you see this, like between the bottoms. This is cool. This is cool effect which we created here. It's better than original, I guess. Maybe not so better, but very nice. No, sorry for this. Okay, I will fix the rest a bit later. Now let's go a bit more here. I will try, or I will start to edit this. So first of all, I will crop here and cut, and again one here. Alt X. And here, I will do a straight cut between these two. We'll do again a straight cut. I will do here straight cut. And now here and here. Probably move this a bit to the middle. We can delete these shapes, also these words. I think it would be a good idea that we do it at once. This shape and this and that shape, because it should be the same. So again, I will select my cut tool. Let's say it should be somewhere here. Okay, yeah, It's hard to see, but I think it should be the same. Why anyone will give their different kind of bottoms? You're crazy. So like that. Now, I think this line will be good for that. Yeah, it looks quite the same. Not the same absolutely, but doesn't matter. Okay, so we can delete that. We can select these ones here, move that a bit, and delete these bottoms. The bottoms. First, of course. So I think this one I will do at last. Yeah, probably yes. One more thing here. I really don't like how this is connected together. So I will check my cut tool and do here a cut. Target weld. This. No, I can't target weld, so I need to do something like this and place this one here. This one will connect here and this one here. Something similar I will do also on the other side. And if I'm here, I think I can do it already. So I can do it like that. And also here, so we'll create here. Bit more polys. Try to create them. So let's choose this one. Okay, so a bit connecting together, which will be very strange. So we have we have here this, and this poly. Now I will hit inside on that, a bit smaller than we did before, and I will do actually absolutely the same trick. So I'll bevel this a bit and a bit inside. Really, just a bit. You can use also the keyboard for that. Oops, my bad. All the X because I don't see anything. This shouldn't be so high like that before, so I will do it a bit smaller. Oops, we have here a problem. We have here a problem. And on this side the same. Okay, I see that. It's too much. Anyway, this should be enough. Okay, so we have hit these two bottoms. Now, I will probably select this here. Oops, not doing that, but doing that. Serving. I cannot. It's pity. Yeah, I probably do it like that. So just select it and hit connect. Now, just to make it possible, we'll delete this. Also, again, these words, and I'll try. I think I deleted a bit too much. Yes, I did. Why this edge is disappearing here? I see. Wasn't counting with that there will be any edge or something. It's very strange. First time that I see that. So again, I will select that one, connect less, and okay. Okay, I will come to this a bit later. I would like to see how it is looking so far. Okay, the middle bottom is more or less fine. The rest is ugly, but we are not finished yet. Okay, I will do a similar job here. So firstly, I'll delete this one here and the same here. I'm not sure if there will be the same problem. Yeah, there it is. Now this is very interesting. So one side should be fine. Well, this is the problem one, so this should be. No, that one. Yeah, I already deleted that. How is this possible? Yeah, you see, that's very strange. No, this is actually not so strange. I should count with that. So sorry for that, I just forgot. Yep. Okay, so I think the second time I was doing this. So I will connect. I can use the same value, I guess. It's a bit smaller. So okay, I have part done. Now let's see. Okay, so I think I will cut a bit more to the shape and place it a bit more here. So here, can do something like this. Just to create here more police. Should be a good idea, I guess. Now, you see, I forgot about that one, which is here. Now I can delete it once because creating a mess all one by one. And you probably noticed that I'm not using here chamfer. No, I don't need. Well, that's the reason why. Okay. Now, a bit better, of course. Still very, very bad. It's the same, almost. From one side, I will connect this to the shape. From the other side, I still need here few connections. So let's go here. Delete front view. You can select these ones to zoom. Delete also this one, and I don't need even that one. Yep. I should backspace this before and not now. So front that. Okay, so I need a straight cut also here and here. So we'll try again. To do a cut. Connect. Maybe you think it's a bad idea to do that, but it's not so bad. So connect. We'll do it, I think, twice. Oops. I can do it at once. We'll see. So I'll make them straight, of course, to make mess to a model, but just for some time, because place one here. Ah, it's nice distance. So cut this one to the shape. A bit changing, as you can see. Still a bit of mess. But I hope not for long. Nice to use a cut tool. Like, and it should be done. Why I think I miss here something? Probably because I miss. Yeah, now it's a bit better. I think I deleted that also before. It's absolutely mean. Some kind in things like this. Always delete something horrible. Okay, so now we need to connect this one. I did that cut a bit strange, I guess. No, we'll look on that a bit later. I need just one. I need this straight. Straight or not. Depends how I want the corners to be. Just looking what I did. The cut should be there, but the overall shape shouldn't be like this. It should be a bit like this and more up. Yeah, like this is much better. Okay, let's see what we did. Now this is already looking good, but a lot promising. Still we have here a problem which is causing probably this one. This shape. See, it's making strange things here. And also here we need a card. So we need probably a lot of these things here. And it's already not so funny like it was before, huh? Yeah, this is absolutely great connecting. I don't know how is possible the Max can think for me and do all the things. Can weld this together. Okay, this is fine. That's fine. We just need to do this and that, and we need to do that on this shape and that shape. I will probably try to connect, delete this one and connect this one there, because this all cutting and stuff like that just taking a bit time, huh? Sometimes in this case we really don't have many options. Okay, so let's do connect. We'll do it like this, I guess. So, not much talking about this. I mean, you see what I'm doing, so I don't see that much problem to follow me. I'm just cutting and cutting and then connecting. It depends what I'm doing at the moment. So also killing some triangles with this. Not all of them, of course, but some yes, which I actually also created, so it's good to fix things in the time when you're modeling something. I think we can move this a bit here and this one a bit back. Okay, so we have that and that. Both sides, just let's check. How I did this one? Probably very strange because I miss here. Cut should go here and then here. How I did that, I don't know. I even don't remember anymore. Okay, so less talking, like someone would say, and just more and more. Do it quicker. I'm really trying my best. Come on. Yikes. So let's go down with that. Now we will connect these two. Yeah, this is fine. Weld these together. Hope we did. Yeah, we did. The same here. So one connect. Probably a bit move here and one more from this side. Let's say, okay, the corners are good. And the last thing is here. And this one. So the same like we did before. We just hit connect. Probably this time I will use also the scale tool. Scale the shape back. Probably kind of I can rotate. That's the bad thing. With cutting you will get nicer shapes, but you will do it also longer time. I don't want to waste time with that. You can even change that, you know, later. See if just one cut will be not enough, and it's not. That's better. So to connect. Okay. I need to do an set here, and probably for that I will delete these ones. So insert the shape. This should be enough, and we still have something. Oops. Okay, I will need to look on that. In the meantime, I will do the same like I did also in this shape. So a bit scaling. Yeah, and, yeah, I think for sure I will copy the whole shape to the other side. Oh, we'll save some time. Which we more or less have, but why to waste it on that? Okay, I will do the same here. Probably do the same inside. You can touch it well, these together. And we have the same problems from both sides. Okay, I'll move also this here. Okay, but okay, what is causing this? The bottom's looking good, but just this one here. Okay, I'll try to do here a cut. Yeah, solved. Cool. Okay, I was doing that and that. Okay. Now delete this and select just the top shapes. Try to go shrink. Deselect. Hold on, shift clone to let's try element. Why I think everything was moving? Because it was. So one more time, hold on, shift clone to object. Select our new object, make a mirror, no copy. We will affect the pivot. Place it exactly above, or more or less near to that. Or better. First we'll delete the old shape. Also like that, we'll get the same shapes on both sides, which is cool. Yeah, just in the case, like it will be, this will working. Oh, it should. We'll see. So I'll place it somewhere here. Attach this one here. And now I will touch weld this one to this one. Sometimes I will probably, yeah, there is no word. Okay, so now first I will do touched weld. Then I will need to do something with rest. Okay, I think here we can go. This one we can delete. Can go here, here, and here. So reconnecting the shape to the shape. Here I think this one. Here this one. Guess this one, nothing. No. We need to connect this here and let's say this here. And from this side. Okay. Now, maybe if I will now turn on Triple Smooth, we'll have here a bit less. Yeah, you see, shouldn't be like that. It's because not everything is welded together. Like you see here, I have these two which are not. I will do this, cut them back. So like this, I will achieve the same, but without the need to connect something or anything else. So as you can see, the same is here. So select this, delete, the same here, and cut that back. Shouldn't have here so much of this, but some of them will be here. Now let's see, it's cool, but here already is again the same. I'm already tired from that. But we did something. So we are working as fast as we can. I'm working like that, probably you too, but feeling like I'm just doing and doing and doing and don't do anything else. Okay. Here and there. Here it should be okay. I'm a bit afraid that it will be not like that. Oops. Let's see, I gain something. Now see, if we will have just quads there, that will mean that everything is fine, but we didn't. Oh, that's fine, that's cool. Anyway, we'll also see that if we apply turbo smooth, then it will be looking like that. So in that moment, we'll see that something is wrong. We can apply that. So there's still something here at the bottom. Small is fine, just here this one, but that we'll fix later. The bottoms looks great. You see. Yeah, I thought I was fixing that. I thought I was fixing everything here. Well, don't look so. I didn't connect that to the shape. This is possible. How is this possible? I hate myself. Okay, let's delete the shape. Let's cap it back, but not everything. Somehow it's selecting a lot more that I would like. Yes, we can do it like this. I need to recreate here this poly. So I'll just click on every single word which I see here and recreate it. Let's again try. Why are you doing this to me? Okay, I will create the poly once more. This situation I will be happy to say like, do it yourself. I will do it too, but I will turn off the recording and it will save a lot of time. It's almost done. It's not a problem which is there anymore. And the rest looks good. Strange feeling that I deleted here something, but I shouldn't. And yes, I did. I think it's very funny that I do these kinds of mistake. Sometimes I even don't see that. Now the cap should work now. Just here, yeah it is. And we'll just cut that back. So, good news is that data mistakes solve that mistake. Problem will be like, did a mistake, we need to start over. It's not the case here, which is of course good. So I think, yeah, it was that poly. So the bottoms was, or were, more complicated like that before. Is it possible? Well, it is. Cap and the cut tool. Yeah, I can do a straight cut from that point to that point. That's good too. Okay. Now looking better. Much better. Okay, so almost done with these bottoms here. Okay, I start feeling that not everything here is okay, so create that back. Yeah, that's better. And the rest probably I will just check later without the camera on or recording back. And fix it myself. I will not bother with that. Now, let's go to the middle bottom. Now, the middle bottom looks probably a bit. Looks easy, I think. Oops. It looks, it don't mean that it will be, of course. So, sorry. I think why not? Let's do it the same way. We'll go just a bit back and inside. Here we'll go just a bit. Go now up. Here probably I will use chamfer. So right now I will do this. I will hit here inside. Not big one, but not small one. Hit all X, and I will use the scale tool to scale it to desired size. Should be in the middle. Perspective. I'll drag this a bit down. Not much. Like this. I need one inset more at least. Can use this one. This one is more or less perfect, almost perfect. I'll use a smaller one, and I will use this one. I can turn this off to go like this. So we have that and that. I need a very small inside. Yes. And perspective view, I will do bevel up. And inside. And I will leave it like this. Just like that. So okay. Do a chamfer, a quite bigger one. I will select this here, ring that, control poly, extrude, not so high of course. Again, here I will go, no, this is too much. Okay, like this, should be fine. Now from the front view, let's go to the front view, Z to zoom. Select this and this, loop that. You can go back to perspective. I can see all. No, I will not do that. I will see how it will be without. I will use a small chamfer here, like this. And I need to see how it's looking. Four. Oh, no, it's looking so bad. Actually, I like it. I like that. Okay, so do you one more inside. Okay, let's do that. Probably do also cut here. Let's go to the cut tool, and I can do a cut here and there, here and here. Yep, better. Okay, nice and smooth. Don't keep attention to that. One more time. This will fix. Horrible. Here's so many bottoms. I'm going to die from that. And I think I will just do something more, and I will finish here because I can't anymore. Sorry for that, but really I can't. I need a break. I will do some cuts here. Attach it here to the shape, and I think this should be fine, more or less. Should look better. Okay, let's go to the cut tool and we will put this. Okay, so far bottoms for the front cover. I'm already going to be crazy from that. What we have here, I didn't notice this. Yeah, but that's fine. We'll fix this later. Yeah, I'll fix it later. I will not do anything. I'm really tired. Okay, so our bottoms, nice and smooth. Probably very similar to what we have here. Not absolutely the same. Not telling that. And I will continue in the next part finishing this, and also I will try to decide what to do with the texturing and everything. So thanks for watching so far. I will see you in the next part, and so far, bye bye.